Yo, what's up, everyone? Captain Z here, and I'm at my school right now at
Yo, what's up, guys? Paul here. Welcome back to another YouTube video.
And my guy going live too.
MSD Vaughn.
I'm just gonna go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ain't that awesome? Don't tell me that's not awesome.
Actually, we're not.
Yo. Look. I wonder what happens if I run in it.
There's an eligibility now that I have to have. Fucking,
Yo, we're also gonna be, I believe, lighting this. Yeah. This is gonna be episode 2 of A Night With Kobe, because technically this is a night. That's cool.
I am wearing it. I will wear that pants.
Why don't we just put all the wood on it? No, wouldn't.
That's actually really cool. Look at that. Look at that. Dude. Where the fuck did you get to go to?
Look at that was standing with us. Oh, it looks like they did. Someone on fire. Percy Jackson.
I mean,
I summoned diabetes.
man,
Bro, I summoned diabetes. I summoned diabetes. No, wait, I get the wrong sign.
oh, bro, come on. Yeah, I got you again, huh? And this is my best skinhead of America.
I asked him when he's gonna get his head shaved.
All right, seriously, where did he get the cookies? Where are you getting?
Over there on the other side of the driveway.
How much are they?
Over there.
How much are they?
That $1 for 2 of these.
$1.
In one bag.
This is gonna be awesome. Yeah, I got a 10 right here, so. This is my best friend right here. This is my best friend right here. Thank you, best friend.
Alright, everyone say this is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. And then here's a cookie. 2 of them in a basket.
Thank you. My best friend gave me a cookie. Thank you. Alright, let's put this money in my pocket. I got this money in my pocket. Hey, yeah. $5, I'm gonna get 3rd-degree burns because of my dumbass, but whatever. Don't sign any of that.
Don't break up your fucking glass and give them. I need to see them.
God. actually love this night.
That's fair. That's fair.
What's up, man?
Huh?
What's up? I was getting a fist bump by a dick.
Kobe, it's fucking cold.
This is my main home. So that's it.
No!
Hey, sorry.
I can't have it.
No, I was straight comment.
I'm gonna die.
I
I
don't
hope I
like.
do. You should give me the. I have my OCR.
Actually,
Continue create flames sometime.
I actually dosed. He actually dosed. Just sending it right to the fire. He actually dosed it. I don't want a cookie. Hey, what's up, mommy? Yeah. There's a disappointment that's nothing back here. I can tell you that. What's up, Kobe? Toast my cookie. Toast my fucking cookie. Oh,
Yeah, it's just coming this way. That's why you face it.
this actually works.
Yeah, it was flying
What the?
at you.
I'm fucking toasting my cookie right now.
I'll die with you.
Hello. I'm actually toasting my fucking cookie right now. This is not happening.
Too scared to go. Come on, Lily, man up.
Where are they? What direction? Straight, left, right?
Straight.
Straight. There's some very windy.
We have chicken.
I heard there's gonna be burritos here.
Dumbass.
And that's like one of the main reasons why I came. Like I literally heard it was gonna be a burrito. Wonder than that's gonna.
Hey, Ryan. No one told me it costs money for food. I thought.
What are you doing? I'm gonna fix it. You're gonna be a kickstep.
Yeah, that'll work. Why are you doing push-ups?
Because I can't.
What are you doing? Taking a video of him taking push-ups.
No, I'm not.
Doing push-ups apparently. You're boxing. Hello. Sadly, Connor couldn't be here.
Right?
Yeah.
That would have been
I'd get a
awesome.
little closer. My back needs a little bit of heating, so.
I think I'm a bit too close to them.
Hi. There we go, that's nice.
I knew there was gonna be burritos here.
That chicken, apparently.
What?
That chicken.
They have chicken or they are chicken?
Whoa. Gives a nice contrast, that's for sure. There we go. Oh, wow.
I just love this. Fucking sitting next to a bonfire.
Bonfires are nice.
Yeah, I know. What the smoke is up?
Pop that squat.
Huh?
Pop that squat.
Whoa.
This is nice.
I fucking burnt myself on one of the damn pieces.
Hi.
These are homies I
My ears felt a little twitchy.
What I'm on a move.
Alright, fine.
It's a fucking half moon tonight too.
Fire. Fuck. Yo, is that my wedding dog?
Oh, I feel like I burnt my face. I feel like I burnt my face. You alright?
I just ran around the whole thing and because I decided to play a game of tag. And I fucking fell right over there.
I'm gonna see if there are any tacos here. Because I heard there was gonna be tacos, burritos. I heard there was gonna be burritos here, but I don't know, I might not have it.
I don't want to hold it.
I don't want. I don't know whose it is. It's not. Did you go there? Yeah.
Let's drink it.
She already covered it.
Can I get a soda? Coffee? Hi, Gum. Go. Dude, this has been one hell of a damn bonfire. So you probably heard we got spanked.
Oh yeah.
Like, dude, we got spanked 20-6. Fucking Liam threw his damn helmet.
Yes, sir. What is that? Gum.
I'll take it.
That's cocaine gum.
I mean, gum is gum, so.
I feel fucking high right now.
What?
I feel fucking high right now. Cocaine
Why?
I don't know, but I'm not.
Let me see. Are you sure you're not high?
Yeah, I'm not. I've been with Bella all night. It isn't that
Hold on.
Wait, right in your pocket.
No one of people. Yeah. Well, this has been a fun night, Michelle. Pretty sure this is gonna be pretty good. By the way, shout out to Killer Alcatraz 1. Be sure to follow him. He's dope. He has some dope shit. Be sure to subscribe to him. Subscribe to me at Cameron Beach. And follow my channel, Cameron Beach. Become one of the chemists of the X Lab. Surprise moving out. Alright. Peace out.